on the show, just like First Test Medical Diagnosis Center, Fabi Draco, Tattoos, College Points, Parrot Radio Online's number is here 0500610672. Hello to my friend, out to me, Eddie Kita News, and no one. To me, API and API. We are looking for so many sponsors across. Now, we are celebrity, we are musician, as a woman, so we are dear, we are good, we are star, we are celebrity, or baby, too. But anyway, to me, a celebrity, if you know that you are a celebrity somewhere, we are the being of too. But they be because our idea, the more we are the next celebration. Celebration is singing chorus for somebody's work and appreciating it and the consistency. I'm interested. Now, also interested, and if I had in Chowkule way a dito research and the INA, the bread, but can't some ha and you cry. We will not talk things we know the Song on the background is Near Die featuring Kobby Gee, and he says, you and I go online and go YouTube, go places and go search it. And do you know that you can also join us here in the studios and be in Studio B, sitting right here on my left hand. And you believe on Sapi, Tamoshi, Domoshi Fioni, Mafuin Fiona, Mabatemba, Ubana Canon. I'm interested. People they do things for the entertainment industry. We with the fish out, to the make sure say Charlie, with the fishermen, we with the fish out, then they bring all the things for here. So as I read the concert for the phone top right now, I say no, the thing it could hit today. Wow, you see that thing. So through Power 6.3 FM, I feel a miniano. Sounds on the speeds. And you mean not tribble, no fake la look how domo, and then you're done chalala, yeah, not tribble, no fake la look how domo name ba. That job where Mukunye look one. Not tribble, no matter entertainment news. I have so much entertainment news here. Entertainment news speed, entertainment news la sinela. American. Your boy so Kata Charlie, you know. I'm interested is just beginning. So let's go for this. I don't know where to begin. The people that do things for the world, they say like them, they say time begin. Some of the things where they do, you go your skin. Money balomo me abalomo le minya malomo influence let us go straight to the first entertainment news. Where we start from? Okay, fine. Make us start from Shatawale. Shatawale, them interview. You know, say Shatawale recently he entered Nigeria inside. So he released some album. Shatawale released the album. The album now Shatawale he released. They cut on. I said we run Nigeria line. I said last 3 days, 4 days here we run Nigeria. Then I call local radio stations, TV stations near the arena Kobby. Into Kotombi, squad di Nechi, one, some flares, almost flares, Yama jet, and I'm see. Interview. Interview no more, no. Ninety or not, Saki militants. No, because Omama catch a man, say, or in a wife, or in a wife for that. Anna Benna boy found a bag and of Ghana and of Korea. That is the beef between Shatawale and Burna Boy. You was a Hosanna. As a Benna boy, name in your friend, yes. It's a one besides a copy, said Stone by the baby. Would you say, oh, Casua, I'm teaching Casua with the Mura Casua, and Yano Casua, Ecobodia, Society, we are going to say Raguna, New Chrome, each animal, come at you. It's your